Oh my gosh, you dropped a new video?
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low.
Perfect.
Tell me what you taste, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm faded on the knees. It's so much that I need.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lisi. And if you're new to my channel, hey. If you're old to my channel, welcome back. Okay, so y'all just see me get ready in like 20 minutes to get to class. I have sociology today, so we're vlogging today. But we have a lot to do today. A lot of schoolwork to do today. I have, I can show y'all that. I have to do my paper. I have to take a test, 2 tests. I have to do another test. Then I gotta study. Then I have to sign up for SI meetings. Then I have to do another homework. So yeah, you know, payday. Then I got work tomorrow. So yeah, I have a very busy schedule. It's 50 days until my birthday. Period. It's gonna be a very busy day for us. It's gonna be like a college vlog, just showing y'all what I do on a day-to-day basis, honestly. I only have, make sure one time. Okay, it's 11:56. I usually leave my room at 12 o'clock because I have class at 12:30. Yeah, I'm going to sociology. I have sociology at 12:30 today. And that's the only class I have today. And then I'm gonna come back to my room. Oh, we gotta do our laundry because we have work tomorrow. Gotta do our laundry, gotta wash my bed because I'm on my cycle. And you know how that gets. If you know, you know. Should we wash the bathroom because I haven't washed it this week. I wash it every week, but I don't wash it this week. And fold my clothes, honestly. That's it. Then go to the cafe, get some food. And I think that's gonna be the vlog, honestly. Unless anything else happens. But oh yeah, they're having a poetry slam today. I'm gonna stop rambling and get to class. And we're gonna walk there together. And then I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm walking back to my dorm. So bye! 12:02. Is it raining? It's fucking raining. So we're going back because I just feel like it's a walk and I don't feel like walking in the rain. So we're gonna go get my umbrella.
Can you focus on me?
So it is 12:59. She let us get out of there early. Thank God, because we used to get out at 1:45. Anyways, but this girl's having SI meetings. So if we go to 5 of them, we get like 8 extra points on our quiz or test. So I'm gonna go to that today at 2:30. And I'm gonna go get Chick-fil-A right now. And I really don't know. I'm gonna go get Chick-fil-A.
Baby, can you focus on me?
They have sushi now, and it looks so good. I'm pretty sure. Sweet home, sweet home, sweet home. So great to be back in the room, man. Alright, we finna munch on some Chick-fil-A. We got the Holy Mall bag. You gotta protect because it's rain outside. You gotta protect the food, bro. You got to take this off. You gotta protect the food, bro. Damn, no. Got the fries. Got the Polynesian. Got the ketchups. Hold on. Got the nuggets, the 8 count. Plus the grilled cheese mugs. When I eat like this, I don't eat like this all the time. When I eat like this, that's how you know it's over. Like, I'm not eating for the rest of the day. I did show y'all the sushi though. The sushi looks so good. I was sitting there looking like a weirdo, but it was like $12, and all my $9 are probably finna be gone by next week. Get back to y'all when I'm done eating. Oh wait, I didn't even show y'all the food. Hold on. Yeah, I don't get it with the multi-grain bun because it just seems so dry to me. It's like already dry, but with this bun, it tastes better to me. I used to, but I don't. But if I get it on accident, I really don't care. Get the nuggets. Damn. You got the fries. All right, I'm see y'all when I'm done eating. Okay, so I'm done eating. And let me get up. Okay, so as you can see, my dorm is a mess. So, it's a big, gigantic mess. The room, room look terrible. Over here, they need to wipe the mirror and stuff like that. Stuff like that. So I take that trash out, and yeah. The first thing we're going to do is separate the clothes into black and colored. So I can have 2 loads because I haven't washed laundry in I don't know how long.
One of them ones.
Okay, we're in here. Don't mind this. I was eating Chick-fil-A and the chicken sauce got on my shirt.
Western road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza because we were down to pay.
I have never done laundry and every single thing is open. Like, it's a blessing. I have to wash my sheets also, so back to the room. Back in my room. Okay, so in college, we can't have candles lit, so I just have a candle warmer I got from my job, Publix, and it was like $6. So, yeah. So now y'all gonna see me struggle trying to get that. Y'all know. This is like the hardest thing ever.
Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it take on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house.
I thought it was gonna be like hard. When we put it on, it's gonna be hard. Back to the laundry room. So we're just gonna have to wait for each one because I don't know what's in here. It smells like soap, but it's like, I think it's the little ones that you throw in. I don't know what this is, bro. And it's broken. No other one works either, except the one I have going, so. I guess we'll be back in 19 minutes or 18 minutes to get this out. After that very disappointing thing we had to go through, I'm back in my room. I have the hiccups right now. I'm gonna spray the bathroom. I'm not gonna wash the bath. I'm not washing the bathroom until I take a shower. So just wash it, take a shower, then I'm done with the bathroom. Cause I just need to put a trash bag in the trash can. I already cleaned the toilet. I took the little thing, washed it with the toilet. Yeah, about to wipe this mirror because I got like water splashes on it. So yeah, now that we're waiting for the laundry, we're finna clean the room. And I'm just finna do like a little transition, like the little, yeah. Now, we do bathroom.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
I cleaned up over here. I refilled my soap. Isn't it so beautiful? Like how it looks. Then I cleaned my mirror. I don't have glass cleaner, so it looks still a little foggy. But, I mean, it's better than the water splashes, so. My bathroom, I swept it. Put this rug down. I put my shower thing right there, my tissue, my smell good, make the bathroom smell good. The washing products down there. The bathroom stuff down there, the disinfectant, the air freshener, the poopery, that's all right there. It's my toilet. It looks so shiny and clean. Tissue restocked. I'm gonna put the trash cans when I'm done cleaning the whole room. And my phone died. I forgot to tell y'all that. My phone freaking died. But yeah, this is how my bathroom look is. I'm gonna let it soak and sit like that for now. But when I take a shower, I'm gonna head back to y'all when I'm done with everything, like all the laundry. Laundry is complete. Thank God. Whew. That's the black load. We're on the bed. Now we are going to make my bed. What a long day, y'all. It's 6 o'clock already.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby.
I indeed found it out. I feel like it shrank. I don't know.
Spider, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, I'm done folding my laundry. It seemed like it was so much clothes, but I guess not. But I know y'all seen me change like 3 times. I've been trying to get comfortable, but it's just not comfortabling. So yeah, but now that I'm done my laundry, it is, I think it's 8 o'clock. It's 8:11. And I still want to go to the calf, but I slick don't. I feel like it's gonna be a waste of my time, especially because it's 8 o'clock right now. Y'all, I'm about to start my work, and yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm so blown because I got a 80. Y'all, I keep getting 80s and 85s on these freaking quizzes, and I don't know why I keep getting an 80 and an 85. So I'm finna submit it. I'm finna submit it, bro. Let's cross our fingers to see what we get. Y'all, so now that we're done with the test, we're gonna do the sociology quiz and then write the papers last. DoorDash to me. I got some chicken and rice, some wings and rice, but I forgot to put blue cheese instead of ranch. The food looked amazing. I did my 2 paragraphs. It is currently 1:32 in the morning. It is 1:32 in the morning. After I ate, I was watching Netflix, and then I started watching Kai's Subathon again. And then I was making TikToks. I was just chilling really all day. Cause like when you do your work, when I do my work, I take breaks and I just stop within the day because I just don't want to feel rushed. And if I don't have to feel rushed, then I just take my time with stuff. So that's really why I do my work the way I do it. But I'm finna turn this in right now because this is due tomorrow at 11 a.m. So yeah, it's due tomorrow at 11 a.m. So I'm gonna do the other essay. Well, it's not an essay. It's just answering questions, but you gotta answer each question in 200 words. So I'm gonna do that after I get off work tomorrow because I work 10 to 3, so I'm gonna have enough time to do it because I already read it and I already know what I'm doing. Anyway, so that's the only thing that we didn't complete on today's list because as a college girl, you know, you there's only so much you can get through. There's so many distractions. There's so many, like, I don't know. But I'm so tired right now. I'm finna take a shower. I'm finna wash the shower. I'm finna wash the shower, take a shower, and take my ass to bed. So if you guys like the vlog, like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and press the post notifications every time you see me drop another banger, okay? I love you guys, and I'm gonna see y'all next video. I hope you guys like this productive day. Just showing y'all how I be on a day-to-day basis. But I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all next video, and tune in. Bye. I totally forgot to thank y'all. Thank y'all for the 100 subscribers. We have 100 We have 100 subscribers. But yeah, we have 101 subscribers. I just want to thank y'all so much for even clicking on my channel and being like, oh, let me subscribe so I can watch her videos, and, you know, just being support system to me. Or even if you're not subscribed, thank you for even clicking on this video and just watching my day-to-day basis. So, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to come on and say thank you guys. I totally forgot to thank y'all for the 100 subscribers. It ain't nothing too big, but it's something, okay? And every time we hit a milestone like 200, 300, I would document it, because even later on, it's gonna be like me just documenting my progress and showing myself like I worked hard to get where I'm gonna be in the future. So I just know future Lisa gonna look back at this video and she gonna be like, oh my God, I really used to work my butt off. Really used to work my butt off. And thank y'all, for real. I'm so supportive and I love y'all, and I just want to thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. All the blessings that y'all asking for may come y'all way. Anyways, love y'all. Thank y'all.